How can I ease the pain of prostatitis? Ingredients: tomatoes, red pepper, carrot. Red peppers are a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as other antioxidants. These nutrients support overall immune function and can contribute to a healthy prostate. Carrots are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including beta-carotene. These nutrients contribute to overall health and support a strong immune system. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Some studies suggest that lycopene may have a protective effect against prostate cancer.